Let me start recording. Okay. There are, okay, 23. Okay. Now, first, before doing the introduction, I want to taught you greetings. First, when we meet a person, what will we do? We'll greet each other, right? We will wish them good morning, good evening, good afternoon, right? So now we'll see how can we greet each other in French. We'll learn one common greeting in French.
Bonjour.
Yes, that's it.
Bonjour.
Yes, bonjour. What is bonjour meaning?
Hello.
What is the meaning of
Hello.
hello? Yes.
Hello.
Yes, bonjour means
Bonjour,
hello.
ma'am.
Yes, bonjour
Yes,
means
ma'am.
hello. Yeah, can you please mute your mics now? Thank you. I can see few of your cameras are still off. Please switch on your cameras. Paunami, switch on your camera. Muhammad Faiz, Lin Liju, switch on your cameras, please.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is this not? Is this book we are using for French?
That's your notebook. That's a 2-line notebook.
Yeah, ma'am. We don't have ruled notebook.
You don't have, okay. This is 4th standard. You are having 4-line and a ruled notebook. Do you have 4-line?
The math book. Yeah, ma'am. For the 4-line. That math book.
Okay, listen. 2-line, because this language, the French, we can't use 2-line for that.
Price of.
Listen, please, please mute your mics, everyone. Please mute your mics. Yes. Either you can use a 4-line notebook or a single line notebook. If you don't have single line, you can use 4-line. Okay. But you can't use 2-line notebook. 2-line notebook, we don't want. You can use 4-line if you don't have.
Ma'am, Navneet, is this the book?
Navneet, that's a single line book, but that is for max. Okay. That is for max. We can't use it for French. Okay, that's fine. I understood now. I got it.
Ma'am, this book is okay.
Vihan.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this book.
Yes, single line. That's right. The one Harshvardhan is having. The one Harshvardhan is having. That's a single line book. See, let me tell you. Please mute your mics. Please mute your mics.
Ma'am, your video
Guys, why this camera is going off?
No, it's okay.
See, there is some technical issue with the camera. It is getting off automatically. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
I will check this, but I'm trying, but the camera is getting off automatically. I tried a lot. Okay, so I want to tell you is, those who have single line notebook, you can use that. If you don't have, don't worry, you can use 4-line. Okay, but don't use the book you are using for max.
Ma'am, this book.
Then those okay. For now, if you are not able to arrange a book now, that's fine. You can write now. If you are writing something, you can write in a paper. Later, when you get your notebook, you can copy to that. Vihan, you can keep your book down. If you want, you can use that one.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll see. I told what bonjour, right? What is the meaning of bonjour?
Hello.
Yes, bonjour means hello, good day, or good morning. Bonjour is hello, good day, or good morning. And it's not necessary that bonjour you have to only use during morning time. You can use it afternoon also. You can use it during evening time. Okay, night also. If you are meeting a person, you can use bonjour. So whenever you meet a person, to start a conversation, first start with the greeting, bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yes, and bonjour, when you say, let me, yes, I will show you the spelling of bonjour. Yes. See, okay. Bonjour, B-O-N-J-O-U-R, bonjour. This is the spelling, okay? Bonjour. And when you pronounce bonjour, the last letter R will be silent. The last letter R will be silent. It is bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yes, correct. So bonjour. And how will you say good morning, ma'am? How will you say good morning, ma'am, in French?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Ma'am, how will you say? So, say ma'am, it is madame. Bonjour, madame. Yes,
Bonjour, madame.
M-A-M-E. Bonjour, madame. Madame means
Bonjour, madame.
Yes. Can you please mute
Bonjour,
your mics
madame.
now? Please mute your mics now. Bihan, yes, thank you. So, madame means ma'am or madam. Okay, bonjour, madame means ma'am or madam. Then this one, this R will be silent when you say bonjour. Then next one now, I am going to introduce myself. Yes, please mute your mic. Now I am going to introduce myself. Je m'appelle Fami. Je m'appelle Fami. Now what is the meaning of Je m'appelle Fami?
My name is Fami.
Yes, correct. Let's see how we are going to like that. Je m'appelle Fami. Yes, you have to write this in your book. Those who have book, they can write in your book. Otherwise, you can write in a paper. And later, when you get your notebook, you can copy to that.
Notebook?
Yes, notebook. Notebook. See, this is a comma. This is a comma. Je m'appelle. M, not comma, sorry. Apostrophe. M apostrophe A-P-P-E-L-L-E. Je m'appelle Fami. And when you write these two sentences.
Write this in the notebook?
Yes, dear, you have to write this in your notebook. And when you write these two sentences in your notebook, don't write Fami there. Okay, you write your name. Fami is my name, so don't have to copy that. Amen is going to write Je m'appelle Amen. Joseph will write Je m'appelle Joseph. And now I will give you the literal meaning of the sentence. Je means I. Je means I. Then m'appelle. M'appelle is a pronominal verb or reflexive verb. And this part we are going to discuss when we will start grammar. Okay. When we'll take grammar part, we will discuss this one in detail. So m'appelle means to call oneself. To call oneself. Yes.
Ma'am, will you send this notes?
Only 2 lines, dear. You can just copy.
Okay.
Later, if you have a very lengthy one, then I will surely send it. This one only 2 lines. We are not writing too much. Okay. So, je m'appelle means to call myself. Someone is speaking. Who's that? Dear, your audio is not clear. I'm not able to hear you, dear. Your audio is not clear. Okay, je m'appelle. That means to. See, I am not able to hear your sound here.
Ma'am, she is telling, can we use 4-line book?
Yes, sure. You can use a 4-line book. Okay, so je m'appelle means I call myself. I call myself. I call myself Fami. Bonjour, madame. Je m'appelle Fami. Now, I hope everyone wrote this down in your notebook.
No,
now we are going.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's fine. No, okay. Please mute your mics. Please mute your mics. Now, you can. Now, we are going to introduce one by one. When you start introducing, start with bonjour, madame. Then next sentence you can say je m'appelle. You can tell your name. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will call one by one. Can I stop sharing? I hope everyone wrote this down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please mute your mics, everyone. Someone said no. Yes, I will share again. Don't worry. Okay, then we'll start with the introduction. First, Ayman, you can introduce.
Bonjour, madame.
It is bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
The Ayman, the sound here we are having is not z. The sound is j.
Je.
J. Yes, come on.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Very good, very good. Now, next line. Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle.
There, the sound is not z. Here also, the sound is j.
Je.
There will be one vibration between your teeth and your tongue. Je.
Je.
Yes. Je m'appelle. Amen.
Je m'appelle. Amen.
Very good. Amen. Nice. Then next one, Nandana, can you introduce?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Bonjour, madame.
Nandana, the last letter R will be silent. So how will you pronounce it?
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Nandana, the sound I am getting from you is ju. It is not bonjour. Am I saying bonjour?
No, ma'am.
No. Bonjour. Je.
Bonjour,
Yes.
madame.
Yes. Very good. Next line. Nandana, your mic is muted. Huh? Je m'appelle. Yes.
Nandana.
Very good, Nandana. Next one, Abel.
Yes.
Yes, Abel, please wait. Please wait, Abel. I can see few of your cameras are off. Paunami, H. Muhammad, Shrutika. Shrutika, yeah, you told me that your camera is not working. Lin Liju, please switch on your video. Abel Varghese.
Ma'am.
Yes. Shrutika, I know your camera is not working. Fine, fine.
But I can tell.
Yeah, I got it. I understood. Lin Liju, please switch on your cameras, okay? Okay, Amen, mute your mic. Joseph. Yeah, Joseph, yes. You please introduce.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Next sentence.
Qui?
Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle
Joseph.
Joseph.
Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle.
It is not Jamapal. Okay. Jamapal. It is not Jamapal. It is not Shamapal. It is Je. Jamapal.
Je m'appelle
Yes. Jamapal Joseph.
Joseph.
Okay. Next, Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan. Okay, I think he's having a network issue. Next is Rihab, SS. Yes.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour. Je.
Bonjour.
Yes. Next line.
Je m'appelle Rihab.
See, try not to pronounce the sound as J. It is not Jamapel. It is not Jamapel. Jamapel. J.
Ramapal.
Yes, Rihab, correct. Correct. Very good. Then next one. Can you say again, Rihab? Can you repeat again?
Ramapal.
Very
Rihab.
good. Very good. Very good. Then next one, Ahien. Ahien? Yes.
Bonjour, madam.
Ahien, you also. The sound is not bonjour. I'm not saying bonjour. It is bonjour.
Bonjour.
Jou. Your tip of your tongue will be touching your teeth, upper teeth. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yes. Then second line. Je m'appelle
Je m'appelle
Ahien.
Ahien.
Very good. Very good. Keep on practicing it, okay? I will be sending one audio clip to your WhatsApp group. You can listen to that and practice. Then Aryan. Aryan, yes.
Bonjour,
Yes. Say.
madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour. Bonjour, madame.
Yes. Second line. Je m'appelle
Je m'appelle.
Aryan.
Je m'appelle Ahien.
Je m'appelle. Je.
Je m'appelle madame
Okay.
Ahien.
Okay. Keep on practicing that particular sound. Je. Then next is Nandana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please. You can introduce now.
Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame.
Okay.
Je m'appelle Nandana.
Okay, Nandana. Sound for je, bonjour, is je. Bonjour. Say.
Bonjour.
Yes, very little bit more improved. Again, can you say again?
Bonjour.
Yes, correct, perfect. Then next one is Michelle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, introduce.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour,
Yes.
madame.
Next.
Je m'appelle
Je m'appelle
Michelle.
Michelle. Okay, Michelle, keep on practicing. Okay. Abel, please don't use those emojis, please. Okay. Now next is Eva Jolly.
Bonjour, madame.
Yes, bonjour. Next.
Je m'appelle Eva.
Okay, Eva. Bonjour was perfect. When you said je m'appelle, the sound was je. Can you try to bring variation over there? Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle.
Again.
Je m'appelle.
Perfect. Very good. Then next one is Arav. 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 Yes. Say. Bonjour, madame. Say.
Bonjour, madame.
Next line. Je m'appelle Arav. Okay, Arav, good, but your audio was not clear for me. Okay, I will come back to you later. Audio was not clear. I didn't listen to your sentence clearly. Then the next is Jo Maria. Yes. Jo Maria, your audio is not clear. Yes, bonjour. Next line. Okay. Jo Maria, I didn't hear. I think a network issue is there because of your audio is not clear. Network issue is there. That's why. Okay. The next one is Devananda.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Je m'appelle Devananda.
Very good, Devananda. Perfect one. Next is Anton Binoche.
Bonjour, madam.
Hmm?
Je m'appelle Anton.
Very good, Anton. Very good. Then next is Vihan.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Je m'appelle Vihan.
Very good, Vihan. Claps for you. Perfect sound. Next is Vishnu.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Je m'appelle Vishnu.
Yes, Vishnu, very good. When you said je m'appelle, the sound was perfect. You need to improve the word bonjour again. Can you say bonjour? Can you say again bonjour?
Ma'am, you're stuck. Ma'am, you're stuck, ma'am. Voice breaking. Ma'am, you is stuck. Ma'am, I can't see you. Ma'am, I think ma'am has net connection problem.
Ma'am, I can't see you.
Ma'am has network connection. Our failure. Vihan is the host.
Everyone mute your audio. Ma'am has power failure. After some time, she will come.
Ma'am has power failure. Bonjour, madam.
Is the host.
Vihan, you mute. Stop.
Be quiet.
Thank you.
Sorry, children. We are having a power failure here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Who was introducing?
Ma'am, that time I was studying.
In French, "Cava" means "How are you?" The parent.
Okay, can you please mute your mics now? Everyone? Yes.
Line was lane.
What? Pardon?
Ma'am.
Okay, Vishnu. Vishnu was introducing him, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Vishnu, can you say when you said je m'appelle, that was perfect. A perfect sound for je. Can you say bonjour again?
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour. The same sound you used to say je m'appelle. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yes, correct. Okay, very good. Next is Aryan done. Abel. Abel Borges, did you introduce yourself? Abel? Abel? Did you introduce yourself? Abel, did you introduce yourself?
Yes.
Okay, you can mute. Next is
Ma'am, I doesn't introduce.
who is this?
Shrutika.
Yes, Rutika.
Bonjour, madam.
Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madam.
Yes.
Jennifer Shrutika.
Yes, Shrutika. The sound you have to improve j sound. It is not from you. I am getting the sound as j. So bring variation. It is j. Bonjour.
Je m'appelle
Yes.
Shrutika.
Yes, Shrutika. Nice. Keep on
Ma'am,
practicing
in
it.
Shrutika's name, there is 3B.
3D. Yeah. Okay. Shrutika, keep on practicing it. Okay. Then next one is Anne Pavira.
Bonjour, madame.
And say bonjour.
Bonjour, madame. Je m'appelle Anne Pavira.
Okay, and Pavira, from you, the sound I am getting is sh. Je m'appelle sh. But you have to bring variation. It is not sh and it is not j. In between, there will be a sound that is j. Bonjour. Say, try.
Bonjour, madame. Je m'appelle.
Okay, and Pavira, there is one vibration. You will be able to feel that vibration between your tongue and your lips, teeth. J, j. See, j. Yes, yes. You should feel one vibration in your teeth. J. Yes, perfect. Nice. See, you got it. Very good. Okay, can you say again?
Bonjour, madame.
Je m'appelle
Anne Pavira.
Very good, very good. Next is Joseph Anthony.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, introduce.
Bonjour,
Yes,
madame.
yes.
And Joseph did before.
Okay, you did, Joseph.
Yes.
But you still need to bring the variation for just sound. Okay. Keep on practicing it. Then next, okay, Rehab is having a cute baby over there. Hi. Hi. Okay. The next is Savio. Savio.
Bonjour, madame. Savion.
Oh, okay. Savion. When you say bonjour, the last letter R will be silent. Okay, don't say, you don't have to say R there. Bonjour is enough. Say bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yes. The next one, je m'appelle. Je. Yes. Okay. Good. Next is Muhammad. H. Muhammad. Where is he?
I want to say one more time.
Who's this? Ah, yeah, I will give you a chance. Yes.
Bonjour, madam. Je m'appelle Fadil.
Yes, father. When you said je m'appelle, that was perfect sound. But when you said bonjour, there you were having mistakes. Can you say bonjour again? The same sound for je m'appelle.
Bonjour.
Yes, correct. Very good. Then next one. Yeah, Rihab, you told you want another chance. Yes.
Bonjour, madame.
Yes. Next.
Je m'appelle Rihab.
Okay, Rihab, still need improvement for the je sound. Je. Je. Yes, very good. Perfect sound. Very good. Then next one is Sanjal.
Bonjour, madame.
Okay. Bonjour. Next.
Pam Sanjal.
Okay, very good. Do you have another class after this? Soon after this?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay.
The last class.
Okay, okay. 4. This is 4C. Okay. Then next one, Ahian did, right? Don Martin.
Yes.
Yes, you can introduce yourself.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour,
Yes.
madame.
Yes. Okay. Next line.
Je m'appelle
Je m'appelle Don.
Don.
Yes. Okay, Don. Then next one.
Okay.
See, it's already time. So I am winding up the class. There are few people I know who couldn't introduce themselves. I will give you chance later in the next class. Okay?
Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you,
Nice
ma'am.
class.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am,
Have a
for the
safe day.
successful class.